So some of you may not know this about Lori, but she is actually a world-famous novelist. And she's going to create one of her best-selling masterpieces for you right now, here before your eyes. And as a bonus, we're going to see that story come to life behind her as acted out by Barry, Susan, and Michael. So there's a lot of fun here. So first of all, again, I'm going to need what type of story would you like to see? What genre would you like to see?
Mystery.
I've heard a couple mysteries out there, so we're going to do a mystery this time. And we need a working title for the mystery. Something like The Case of the Blank. The Case of the Blank or The Mystery of Blank. Something like that. The Case of the Ingrown Toenail. Okay, a masterpiece by Lori. The Case of the Ingrown Toenail. Good luck.
The Case of the Ingrown Toenail by Lori Keel. Dr. Fergensnertz walked into his office. It was time for another day at work. But all of a sudden, he saw a dead body in the middle of his office.
My God, what's this dead body doing in the middle of my office? I don't know what to do.
He looked closely at the body, and he realized it was Dr. Merkensnertz, his arch rival.
Dr. Merkensnertz, my arch rival, or in my office.
He knew that he was in trouble because Dr. Merkensnertz was in the middle of taking over his practice and stealing all of his patients. He knew that he would be the first suspect. In walked a detective.
Hello. Can you help me?
Oh, sure, let me.
Toenail.
Well, you've come to the right podiatrist. Don't make any, never mind over it. This is just my former partner, he just...
The detective forgot about the pain of her toenail and went to work.
I need to know, who is this man? And why is he dead on your floor?
I've never seen this man before in my life. I don't... Can I look at your fungus, please?
The detective took the doctor to the precinct. Chapter 2. The nurse came out from behind the curtains. She cackled in delight. Her plot was unraveling just the way she wanted. Even though there was no one to hear, she decided she would explain why she had killed the doctor.
I can't believe I got away with it. Oh, they think Dr. Frappeschmarker did it, but really, I did it because I inherited all of Dr. Buchtenschoppen's money. This plan is going just perfect. Oh, I can't wait to get my hands on that money.
In walked a patient who had overheard the entire thing.
I'm here for my appointment, but before we get to that, I think there's something you need to confess to the authorities. The doctor is missing. I kind of overheard what was going on.
This patient had not been able to afford the very expensive ingrown toenail surgery, so he found a way to get the money.
So, I also need some surgery on my ingrown toenail.
Okay. There's something we can work out here, maybe?
Maybe if we keep this between ourselves, and I won't say anything, and maybe you can assist me with paying for my ingrown toenail.
I do believe we can work something out, sir.
Excellent.
Wonderful.
And maybe a little extra on the top.
They continued their plotting into the night. Chapter 3. Off stage, there is a sound of gunshots. And all of a sudden, in walks a 10-year-old girl. This little 10-year-old was a prodigy, for she had actually engineered everyone to kill each other. And now she was going to raise the entire building and build her own toy store. She cackled in delight. And she lived happily ever after.
Wow! That is one to raise 10